Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off and how to turn on the screen burn-in protection on this console. So first we need to open the settings on our console. So once you're on the home screen, tap on the settings icon right here to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called display. And once you find it, tap on it. Then look for the option called screen burn-in reduction. And this option should be enabled by default, but basically what it does is reduces the screen brightness after 5 minutes of inactivity. So if you're not touching your console, not doing anything on it for 5 minutes, it will basically dim the screen to protect it from the burn-in. And you can disable this option, and now the screen won't dim, it will stay on all the time. And if you're done, you can tap on the switch to go back to home screen. And of course, if you want to turn on this option, you can simply click on the switch. So set it to your liking if you want it on or not. And then, like I said before, press the home button to go back to home screen. And that's how you turn on or off the screen burn-in protection on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.